Fuyo! Hello niece and nephew, welcome back to channel. Today, Chef Stefini take you to China, the motherland of flavor, where breakfast is an event, not just sad toast. In China, breakfast is a symphony of taste that makes your ancestors proud. Forget hotel buffets. The real flavor lives on the street. This is the ultimate guide top 10 Chinese breakfast that will make you throw your cereal away. If you think breakfast is just avocado on toast, you need to reevaluate your life. From crispy crepes to fluffy buns, we cover it all. This is not just food, this is culture. Chef Stefini is here to show you the light. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Grab your chopsticks, or fork, I won't judge. Much. Let's make your breakfast great again. Fuyo! First up, we have the undisputed king of street breakfast, a true champion in the world of morning eats, John Bing. The name itself sings of deliciousness. It's not just a pancake, it's a whole experience. A culinary journey packed into one delightful package. The vendor pours a thin batter, a golden elixir, onto a giant hot plate, cracks an egg with precision and spreads it like a masterpiece, transforming the crepe into a canvas of flavor. Spring onion, cilantro, adding a burst of freshness. Preserved veggies, a flavor party in your mouth. Each bite is an explosion of taste. The best part? Bao kui, a crispy cracker nestled inside for that earth-shattering crunch that elevates the entire experience. Soft, eggy crepe outside, that satisfying crunch inside. It's a symphony of textures. Texture explosion. A true delight for the senses. Sweet bean sauce, chili sauce, the perfect balance of sweet and spicy. Always say yes to chili. It's the secret ingredient that takes it to the next level. Folded up with expert precision, handed to you hot in a bag, ready to be devoured. Perfect grab-and-go breakfast for those busy mornings. Cheap, fast, delicious. Jamie Oliver could never replicate this street food magic. If you see a John Bing stall, don't walk. Run! Join the queue, it's worth the wait. This is not just food, it's a performance. A culinary ballet right before your eyes. Carbs, protein, veggies, and a whole lot of love. It's a complete and balanced breakfast. John Bing is #1 for a reason. It's simply the best. Don't argue, just eat it and thank Chef Stefini later. He knows what's up. It's the reason Chinese street food is the best, a testament to the culinary genius of the streets. You get breakfast and a show, all for the price of a single John Bing. This is how you start your day with power, fueled by the deliciousness of John Bing. Fuyo, what a masterpiece. Next up, we have youtiao, a breakfast staple that's more than just fried dough. It's a cultural icon. It's the golden stick of happiness, a crispy, airy delight that starts the day off right. 2 strips of dough, carefully crafted and prepared. They're then deep fried in hot oil until they become puffy and achieve that perfect golden brown hue. It's a transformation that's mesmerizing to watch. Simple, yes, but sometimes simple is best. It's a testament to the beauty of uncomplicated flavors. Making youtiao is an art, a skill passed down through generations. The dough must be just right, the perfect balance of ingredients and technique. It's then stretched with precision and care, and finally, fried to absolute perfection. The sound of it sizzling in the hot oil is music to Chef Stefini's ears, a symphony of deliciousness. You don't just eat youtiao alone, it's meant to be shared and enjoyed with company. The classic way is to dip it in warm soy milk, also known as doujiang. Crispy on the outside, wonderfully airy on the inside, a delightful contrast in textures. It's perfect for soaking up that creamy, comforting soy milk. A truly perfect combo. Sweet, savory, crispy, soft. It's a symphony of sensations. All these flavors and textures explode in one single satisfying bite. This is Breakfast of Champions, a tradition eaten and loved for generations upon generations. There's even a story behind it, a tale of history and symbolism. It's said that youtiao represents punishing evil politicians, a culinary form of justice. So when you eat youtiao, you're not just enjoying a delicious breakfast, you're eating history and justice. You can find youtiao almost everywhere in the morning. It's a ubiquitous sight. From bustling street stalls to cozy breakfast shops, it's always within reach. Sometimes it's wrapped in xiaobing, creating a delightful breakfast sandwich, or added to John Bing for an extra layer of satisfying crunch. It's incredibly versatile, making it the ultimate comfort food for many. It's like a warm hug from your grandma, but delightfully fried to crispy perfection. If you haven't tried youtiao yet, well, your life is simply not complete. You're missing out on a world of flavor, so go find some. Your taste buds will thank you immensely for this experience. It's more than just a food, it's the very soul of Chinese breakfast culture. Don't settle for sad, soggy cereal when you can have this golden, crispy goodness. This is how you do breakfast right the Chinese way. Fuyo, what a breakfast. Now, doujiang, real fresh soy milk, not sad supermarket bean water, warm, creamy, full of soybean goodness. This is the soul of Chinese breakfast. Made fresh every morning, the aroma alone wakes you up. 2 camps, sweet or savory. Sweet version, just add sugar, perfect for dipping youtiao. Comforting, gentle, like a warm blanket for your stomach. Savory version, soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil, pickled veggies, dried shrimp. Vinegar curdles the soy milk, making a silky, tofu-like soup. Salty, sour, spicy, savory, a whole meal in a bowl. Eat with a spoon, maybe youtiao on top for crunch. Whether you're team sweet or savory, doujiang is a must-try. Healthy, delicious, and the perfect breakfast companion. Forget boring coffee. Start your day with doujiang. It's the taste of a good morning. Fuyo! Baozi, steamed buns, fluffy clouds of pure joy. Soft, slightly sweet dough hiding a treasure of delicious filling. Classic pork baozi, juicy, savory flavor explosion. Or try veggie, chicken, beef, endless possibilities. Sweet baozi too, red bean paste or custard, perfect for breakfast dessert. Baozi are a complete meal in your hand, carbs and protein or veggies. Easy to eat on the go or enjoy with tea or doujiang. Warm, filling, comforting, like a hug from the inside. Found everywhere. Street vendors, baozi shops, dim sum restaurants. Simple, satisfying, a staple for a reason. Next time you see bamboo steamers, stop and get a baozi, or 5. Just be careful, juicy ones can squirt. Don't wear a white shirt, this is breakfast happiness. Don't miss out on baozi. Fuyo! Wei, kanji or juk. A dish with a history as rich and complex as its flavor. It's rice porridge, but not sad. Not at all. Warm, creamy, comforting, a hug in a bowl. It's rice cooked low and slow until it becomes a thick, soupy bowl of love. A testament to simple ingredients transformed. The beauty is in the toppings. That's where you can really make it your own. Century egg, with its unique flavor profile, salted pork, adding a savory depth, shredded chicken, a classic and comforting choice, fish, delicate and flaky, or hearty meatballs. Meat cooks gently in the hot porridge, infusing every spoonful with flavor, so tender, so good. A melt-in-your-mouth experience. Condiments make it shine, they elevate the dish to another level. White pepper for a subtle kick, sesame oil for a nutty aroma, spring onion, cilantro. Freshness in every bite. Must add something crunchy. Texture is key. Fried shallots, garlic, adding an aromatic punch, or youtiao. Creamy congee with crunchy youtiao. A match made in heaven. Fuyo! Not just for breakfast, it's a versatile dish. Eaten all day, but perfect in the morning. A truly satisfying way to start the day. Easy to digest, warms you up, gentle start to your day. Not heavy, won't make you sleepy, just makes you feel good. Don't call it boring rice gruel, that's an insult. This is the real deal. Build your own breakfast bowl, a culinary adventure every time, 1,000 times better than yogurt parfait. If you haven't tried proper congee, made with care and attention, you're missing out. It's comfort in a bowl. Start your day with congee. Fuyo! Time for Xiaobing flaky layered flatbread. Not boring sandwich bread, this is crispy outside, soft and chewy inside. Layers of dough with oil or sesame paste, topped with toasted sesame seeds. Baked in a tandoor-style oven, smells amazing. So many regional variations: round, oval, thin, thick. Every city has its own Xiaobing adventure. Eat plain, dip in doujiang or stuff with savory fillings. Xiaobing jiadan, add a fried egg inside. Or go wild Xiaobing with youtiao inside. Carb on carb, hearty, satisfying, perfect on-the-go breakfast. Hold in one hand, eat while you walk, working person's breakfast. If you see a Xiaobing vendor, you must stop. This is bread with character. Fuyo! Want something sweet? Try tangaloo, candied fruit on a stick. Classic is hawthorn berries, but now you see strawberries, grapes, even cherry tomatoes. Fruit skewered, dipped in hot sugar syrup, cooled to a shiny, glass-like shell. Looks like jewels, so beautiful. Bite in, crack. Then juicy fruit inside, multisensory. See the colors, hear the crunch, taste sweet and tart. Getting the sugar just right takes skill. Chef Stefini respect. Popular street snack, even for breakfast. Quick burst of sugar and energy to start your day. Has fruit, so maybe healthy? Don't think too much, just enjoy. If you see a wheel of tanghulu, try one. It'll make you feel like a kid again. Sometimes you want a small, savory snack. Tea egg, cha yedan, is perfect. Not a boring hard-boiled egg, this one's been on a flavor journey. Hard-boiled, shell cracked, then simmered in black tea soy sauce and spices. The marbled pattern is beautiful like edible art. Spices seep in, making the egg savory, aromatic, and moist. Smell the pot of tea eggs from a mile away at street stalls. Ultimate grab-and-go breakfast, cheap, full of protein, packed with flavor. Just peel and eat, no mess, no fuss. Shows how Chinese cooking turns humble ingredients into something special. So simple, so clever, so delicious. Perfect little bite to keep you going. Don't miss out on tea eggs. Fui yo! Now, chung fun. Steamed rice noodle rolls, a dim sum classic. Silky, smooth, slippery, like eating a savory ribbon. Made from rice flour batter, steamed into delicate sheets. Fillings, char siu, shrimp, minced beef, rolled up and chopped. Drizzled with sweet soy sauce, sometimes sesame oil or seeds. The texture is the star. Soft noodle, tender filling, sweet savory sauce. Light yet satisfying breakfast. Find it at street stalls or dim sum restaurants. It's elegant, delicious, and pure Cantonese flavor. Eating chung fun is a joy. Perfect harmony of taste and texture. Don't miss this breakfast classic. Fui yo! Last, a real crowd pleaser, Kong Yu Bing, the scallion pancake, not fluffy. Crispy, chewy, packed with green onion flavor. Thin dough, brushed with oil, loaded with scallions, rolled and coiled for layers. Pan-fried to golden brown, crispy outside, chewy inside. Every bite crispy edges, chewy dough, bursts of onion flavor. Eat plain or with a dipping sauce. Soy, vinegar, chili oil. Popular street food and home breakfast. Comforting and satisfying. Feels like a treat, but easy enough for any day. Genius of Chinese cooking. Simple ingredients, incredible flavor. Perfect end to our breakfast list. Try it and you'll be hooked. Fui yo! Fui yo! That's 10 amazing Chinese breakfasts. Time to upgrade your mornings. From crispy John Bing to flaky scallion pancake, breakfast can be an adventure. Throw away your sad cereal and try something new. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If I missed your favorite, tell me. I love hearing from you. Hit like and subscribe for more food adventures. Don't disappoint your ancestors with a sad breakfast. Go eat something that makes you say fui yo. See you next time. For more amazing food and drinks, tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.